Okay, this is one of the most important videos for a fix and flipper. I've been sued and it sucks. So you want to make sure that you are controlling your situation and protecting yourself in the process. So if you're a fix and flipper, there's four things that you must do to protect your situation upon sale. First of all, you should always allow a buyer to have an inspection, encourage an inspection. And if they don't have an inspection, pay for one with them and share that with them so that they know everything that's wrong with the house. And I know that goes against everything that you've ever been told, but you want them to have a full understanding of the house just in case. The other thing is you want to offer a home warranty. You don't want them calling you up in the first 3 months and calling you for a leaky faucet or something that was oversaw by a contractor. If you offer a home warranty, get your agent to get that to them. It'll actually have them call them instead of you. The third thing is you always want to have a seller's disclosure filled out. Most people that are in flips, they're doing no disclosures. I would do a seller's property disclosure with everything you've done to the property. That way they understand that you have done this and that. And if you didn't pull permits, most people don't pull permits, but most states, they require you to, just say it. Check off the box. We did not pull permits. That way they know they can't come after you later. The last thing is sign a freaking hold harmless. I had my attorney draft up a hold harmless and we get them to sign it. And that's how you buy my house. And if you don't sign that, or you don't go abide by these, you don't buy my house. I don't want you. So that's how you protect yourself, guys. Learn it from somebody that's doing this for 20 years now.